So when you cut away that first layer, it kind of gives you that like nice little wavy pattern of a hairline, and it doesn't look like it's straight across. Part out this like first row of hairs. So I'm going to do that across the entire hairline. Part this out and cut it off. I'm going to go ahead and take my Lotta Body foam wrap. And I'm just going to tie this down for a few seconds. Okay, now we can go ahead and take it off and then cut away the lace. If you want, you can go ahead and go back over it a bit and just create little it's like not straight across, it's like doing like this. Look how bomb RPGShow lace is, by the way. With the Lotta Body and kind of mold the hairs back. Then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of edge control just to hold it in place, like just a little bit. My edge control dries down matte, by the way. And the ear tabs a bit are lifting. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the gel on the end of the comb. I'm going to clean up my forehead. Now I can take a little bit of my foundation powder